So I was having a conversation with a friend about how dangerous it is out there nowadays and how I don't carry anything with me. So we came up with an idea to make these little self-defense weapons completely out of acrylic. So we made a cat one and we made a heart one. Here's how we did it. Hey everybody, thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw and you want to make your own, check out our website on our free projects page and the file's right there for you. If you want to watch other videos, check out our YouTube channel, and until next time, keep making.